In this video, we are going to learn how to solve these JAMB commerce problems under legal aspects of business. So guys, we're going to focus on the subtopic contract of employment, and we have about 6 repeated questions to practice with for this topic. Let's get started. The first question I have here says, a lawyer that defaults his client may be devolved by the Nigerian Bar Association in order to compensate the affected client, protect the lawyers, protect the integrity of the association, prevent the client from suing the association. Right answer is option C, to protect the integrity of the association. Okay, next question. It says unresolved dispute between the employer and employees are usually referred to the disciplinary committee, industrial arbitration tribunal, code of product bureau, personal union. The right answer is option B, industrial arbitration tribunal. Okay, next question. It says when an employee incurs expenses while executing his normal duty, the employer is responsible for his family's welfare, family security, safety, indemnification. Right answer is option D, indemnification. Now, indemnification is simply compensation due to loss or damage incurred by a person. Okay, so the next question is this one. It says one of the obligations of an employer to an employee is to indemnify him against industry's costs through negligence, terminate his appointment without prior notice, award scholarship to his children, indemnify him against liabilities incurred on duty. The right answer is option D, indemnify him against liabilities incurred on duty. Okay, next question. The most important right of an employee in discharging his duties to the employer is a right to working facilities, annual leave, job security, regular emolument. The right answer is option C, job security. Last question for end this video. A lawyer that defaults his client may be devolved by the Nigerian Bar Association in order to lead a repeated question. The right answer is to protect the integrity of the association. So guys, this is basically how you can do problems involving contract of employment, a subtopic in legal aspect of business for a JAMB commerce practice with 6 repeated questions for this subtopic. Hope you learned something interesting from the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that you subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of this video. So like, share and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel, what I learned from the video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I've talked about in the video, feel free to leave a question in the comment section below, and I will be sure to give you a response. Also ensure that you're part of the channel membership by clicking the join button and getting premium information to help you to excel in your SNE exams like JAMB and other SNE exams you're writing. Okay, so I will not just click on the screen above, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.